Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your email on Fortnite. In order to do so, we are here on the Epic Games Store, which is where your Fortnite account is connected, and we want to make sure that we're all logged in. Up at the top right hand corner, you should see your name with account icon, and if you click on that, then from here, you're going to see a submenu and you'll see the account option. We're going to go ahead and select account. And then from here, we will be brought to the account settings page. And what you're looking for is where it says email address just here. Then you're going to click on the edit button, and you can go ahead and update your email address, and that will successfully update the email address for your Fortnite account as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.